Wow, what a wild day in the market. Hello traders, this is John from TradingPricePatterns.com. It's Tuesday, January 22nd, 2008, and we just wanted to take this moment to follow up on a couple of things that we put out there yesterday, and this was ahead of a big day today in the market, one in which we were expecting actually the Federal Reserve to make this surprise rate cut. We published as much, in fact, several times over the last few weeks on our blog at TradingPricePatterns.com. So we weren't caught completely off guard by it, and in fact we were expecting a pretty good down open in the market, and the way we were playing it was looking for a bounce, especially in some of these housing stocks. Now surprisingly, the housing stocks which have led us to this point in the market, to this point of recession in the economy, are starting to look pretty darn good. And one of the stocks we've been following closely is Rylan, ticker symbol RYL. Stock is traced a triple bottom here, and today the stock opened a little bit lower. Its low for the day was about 24.86, but it traded higher, reaching as high as 28 very early on in the session. And this was a continuous move, so it wasn't like the stock gapped higher. There was a lot of profit potential here from the stock that's trading pretty well. But where do we go from here? Well, on the one side of the equation, we've got an extremely oversold market. Here we're looking at the bullish percent for the New York Stock Exchange. It's the composite bullish percent index, and this is as oversold as it gets. Today we dropped all the way down to about 16%. That means only 16% of the stocks on the New York Stock Exchange are on buy signals, and that is extremely oversold. So yes, we're due for a bounce, we're due for some stabilization, but how high can we go? Well, we're not placing any huge bets on a monster rally occurring. In fact, these V-type reversals or sharp rallies after sharp bearish trends, they're just too rare to bet on. So instead, we're looking for a pretty choppy, pretty inconsistent market over the next couple of months. But for now, with the Federal Reserve cutting 75 basis points and given the deeply oversold condition of the market, we do expect that we might see some stabilization here net, but overall when we look at sectors and individual stocks, there still should be some pretty good moves to be had. So that's where we stand the night after the Federal Reserve decided to surprise the market with the 75 basis point rate cut, although it was a surprise we were expecting on TradingPricePatterns.com.